Hey guys, I'm showing you this JLab JBuds Lux Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Headphones. So this one is a sage color and you can see a very nice gift box type packing, very premium feel, and then you can feel the quality. Like when it's a packing is so nice, the headphone itself will be really good. So you can see like it's a very nice box and all the details are provided, like pull up this, open this, and then a secure packing with this. The charging cable, manual, and everything is all provided. As you can see it here, it's folding one, so you can fold it so it will take less space. Just take out this protective layer because this one also have a touch function. And then let's try this out. So my first impression is very nice, a premium feel thing. The material itself is very nice, lightweight. This have adjustable sting here, so you can adjust along with your head. It's a soft cushion on the top, so you will not feel it like a heavy weight on the head. Cloud forms which feel like cover your ear. All the buttons on and off, plus minus volume, ANC, and this USB-C charging cable. So the good thing I feel is like even the charging cable is of the same color, the sage color. So it's really feel very nice. And this is a USB-C to USB-C charging cable that you can use to charge these headphones. So once charged, you have to have this JLab app on your mobile. So this will give you a lot of other features. So once this is all downloaded, connected, and you can see your headphone here, you have to add. So this one is showing it here. So I will just connect it and start this. So once connected, you can see like things here, like the light is on and off, and then just get it connected here. So this is connected, is pretty quick and fast. You can see all the options, the firmware update and everything. So I will just update my firmware here so I can get all the new features and the best option to let you know how I feel from these headphones. So everything, equalizer, all this bass and everything, you can handle it through the app. So a lot of features that you can do it with the app, and app is also very handy and easy to use. So once like all the firmware everything is updated, you can see a very nice logo on the top. Let me see, a good really form here. Stitching and everything is so nice, is all premium quality headphone. You can adjust it here and there. This will just go with your ear and the head location. All these buttons are nice and good. You can plug in the active noise cancellation ANC with the touch function. And then let's now show like the other thing. So I just want to show that you can just take it out, put it in a box, or you can see like even this cloud form very comfortable on the hand. And once I wear it, I will let you know my other experience, how I feel. So from inside, the material looks really nice and high quality. So my impression I think is better once I start wearing it. So I wear it and you can see this fits really well on the whole ear. From the top also, like I don't feel any fatigue or any hurting thing on the top of my head. And from the side also, it covers the whole ear, so it's good, and the sound quality is really good. The bass and everything is very acoustic sound. You can take the call, you can listen to the music and do everything.